The world is changing rapidly. Digital technology is transforming businesses, creating new professions, and opening doors to countless opportunities. The question is, are you ready to take advantage of them? At Prodigital Center, we prepare ambitious young people and professionals for the careers of tomorrow through practical and career-oriented training. Master Office software and administrative management such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint to become an efficient and sought-after professional. Turn your creativity into a profession. Learn to design logos, posters, flyers, and produce professional quality prints. Create websites and web applications that solve real-world problems. Web development is one of the most in-demand skills in today's world. Learn how to promote products online, attract customers, and build profitable businesses using digital marketing and e-commerce strategies. Become a content creator. Learn video editing, storytelling, and digital production to captivate audiences across platforms. At Prodigital Center, learning goes beyond theory. You practice, create projects, and gain hands-on experience from day one. The digital sector offers countless opportunities: employment, freelancing, entrepreneurship, and remote work. Your future starts with the right skills. Many young people have already transformed their lives through digital skills. Why not you? Don't miss this opportunity. Join Prodigital Center and begin your professional digital training on August 20, 2026. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Choose your path. Develop your skills. Transform your future with Prodigital Center.